Gandhi is a visionary, says Kamruzaman Chaudhary, Mr. Raj Shetran, and here is Congress joining hands with the TVK to form government.
Pranesh, Rahul Gandhi is a visionary. You are Elvis Presley. I'm Taylor Swift. बोलने में क्या हर्ज है? कुछ भी बोल के निकल जाओ. The fact of the matter is Rahul Gandhi has 99 electoral losses under his belt. Congratulations, Mr. Gandhi. आगे आपको और बहुत रोना धोना है. But let's come to the point. The Congress did not abandon DMK because of DMK's Hindu phobia. Congress was applauding all along when Udayanidhi Stalin compared Sanatan Dharma to dengue, malaria, rabies, COVID, what have you. Congress abandoned DMK born out of its greed and hunger to be in power in Tamil Nadu. So let any Congress Darbari or Rahul Gandhi's retainer not sit here and say, oh, you know, Rahul Gandhi decided to abandon NK Stalin because we were concerned about NK Stalin's Hindu-phobic agenda. No, you abandoned NK Stalin, somebody who has been your partner for more than 22 years, because आपको तमिलनाडु की गद्दी में stakeholder बनना था. Point number one. Point number two, let me also take this opportunity to congratulate TVK and congratulate the impending CM Vijay. We've always said, you know, let the best man or best woman win. But it would be futile on my part to not make a comment on the entire Darbari cabal, which has been lampooning Rajendra Arlekar, the governor of Tamil Nadu, who was maligned, saying, oh, governor is BJP's puppet, governor is BJP's agenda. Governor was simply waiting to get comfortable sense that TVK
the governor was simply following procedure. Let me bring in Mr. Surya Narayanan. He's a TVK supporter. He's finally with us. Dr. Surya Narayanan, congratulations. Vijay will take oath if all goes well tomorrow.
Yes, definitely. He will be the chief minister for another 15 to 20 years because he got the mandate from the public. Madam told, BJP spokesman told that why I am asking her, why the governor delayed for 3 days? Because 108 seats just to short off, just to 5 seats. They should not have delayed because this is the people's mandate. Vijay got 34.5% of the votes, and out of this, DMK president, ex-chief minister, clearly told that he want to sit in the opposition. Then, naturally, governor could have called 3 days back the Vijay to form the government. There was a delay. You see, all the precedents in 1994, 1996, 1998, Vajpayee government, everything was formed with the single largest party. But even the governor of Tamil Nadu neither obeyed the precedents nor Supreme Court judgment is S1 Bombay case. It clearly, Supreme Court judgment in 1984 clearly stated that governor can only call for the floor of the assembly to decide. So, anyhow, on behalf of TAPSO, we are thank you very much for your congratulations. And Vijay will form a best government in the world. The Dravidian parties ruled more than 50 years.
Dr. Surya Narayanan, let me ask you one question. You know, after the results came out and you know, people from all parties started speaking. Many in the Congress said that, and you know who I'm talking about. They came out and said that, look, the reason we've decided to back Vijay's TVK is because we believe that this verdict is for a secular force.